Part 1. What is a peptide? Well, let me explain it with Lego. If you eat a steak or egg, the smallest building block that will result from your digestion is called an amino acid. And they come in slightly different shapes and forms. When you combine several of these building blocks into a chain, you get a peptide. If you link more than 50 amino acids, then you can build very complex structures called proteins. Now, you are already familiar with peptides, like collagen and creatine, sort of. But what scientists discovered is that peptides aren't only for building, some of them are messengers. And within these set of messengers, these mad scientists discovered some that can hijack your pituitary gland here and tell it to release more of your natural human growth hormone. This human growth hormone then leaves here and tells your liver to produce more IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor. And this hormone is responsible for muscle growth and cell repair and fat breakdown for energy. So you get fitter and less fat. What's not to like?